Ever wonder how you can monitor an iPhone remotely? Let us introduce you to Highster Mobile, the most reliable iPhone monitoring software. With Highster Mobile, you are able to extract information from a device and automatically upload the data to your secure and private online account. The process to monitor an iPhone using Highster Mobile can be done in 3 easy steps. 1. Purchase. 2. Download. 3. Access. Once you select which iPhone monitoring app plan you would like to purchase, check your email to review my account and purchase information. After the app has been installed and activated on the target iPhone, you can view any information from the iPhone from your cell phone, laptop, or any internet-enabled device through your online account. Highster Mobile enables you to monitor several iPhone activities, including text messages, iPhone GPS location, social media, stored photos and videos, call history, browser history, and more. Whether you are looking to monitor your children on their iPhones or monitor an employee's work device, Highster Mobile makes iPhone monitoring simple. Start monitoring with Highster Mobile today.